Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning. I'm over here at the farm. Going to attempt to start sawing. Guys, let me give you a little rundown. Okay, so I've been hauling logs. Hauled for a couple days. Just a trip each day. So not a whole lot of logs, you know. But I started to saw one. Broke a belt. Process of changing out that, or broke a blade. Let me say that. In the process of changing out that blade, I noticed that on my idle side of my sawmill, I had one of my urethane belts was ripped and torn. So I down and ordered them. Woodland Mills has changed their style of idle side belt to a normal, like, car style. It's a BX style belt, if you know anything about them. Long story short, I wanted urethane back. So I found a company, Timberwolf, that had them. Ordered them super quick on shipping. Everything went great. Get it over here. It's a little bit of a struggle getting it on. But I was like, all right, well, I've been delayed and delayed and delayed. So I get it on, and now keep in mind, I still got the log that I started sawing, the very first log. Still haven't got it finished. And all I'm trying to do is just square this thing up and get it setting over to the side so that I can get all these knocked out so we can keep sawing and the bugs don't get in them. Basically debarked and squared up to where they'll stack and start drying so that when I need something specifically, I can cut it out of those. So I'm not sawing anything like dimensional yet out of it. Still haven't got that point. Anyway, so I get that on and I put a blade on. Well, the blades, I have 3 different brands of blades here on the farm, and I got Wood Miser and Lennox that are my preferred. I have Ripper S that a lot of people love them. If you've had luck out of them, awesome, great for you. I won't go back with them. I don't want to talk bad about anybody's product, but I won't be going back with them. So I had those, and I forgot when I grabbed those, and I didn't have any Lennox and Wood Misers sharpened, so I used those. Didn't work out. I'll give you a little bit of a backstory. Reason I don't care much for them: they're great when they're new. When you buy them new, and they're awesome. You put one sharpener on them, they do halfway decent. That's it. That's all I've had out of them is one sharpening. And my Lennox and Wood Misers, I'm getting 4 and 5 sharpenings out of these things. Right out of the box, like I say, they cut great. If you don't have a sharpener or don't have a way of sharpening them for the price they are, they're going to do you awesome. I have a sharpener. I can sharpen and set my own blades. I want blades that I can actually sharpen and reset. That's the reason I went away from them. Now, maybe there's a trick to sharpening them. I don't know. Like I say, my Wood Misers and Lennox, I've had really great luck out of them. I got some in the truck. That's what I'm going to start with today. I just sharpened a batch, so hopefully I'll get up and going. But that delayed me again. So needless to say, I've been delayed a lot. So without any more delays, hopefully y'all can see at least the restart, whatever you want to call it, of sawing the logs that will be eventually for the home, our log cabin. If you're new to the channel, we got 30 acres. We're going to be building a log home on. That's the plan. I'm sawing all these timbers myself, working a full-time job, going about an hour and a half drive to cut these timber down and get them to the house. No, I do not cut people's timber for a living. This is a side thing that me and my father-in-law, it's a spread that is not anywhere close to houses or anything like that, so that's the only reason we're even attempting it. He's done more of this than I have. So I'm mainly just there helping him as far as the actual cutting the timber down part. Then hauling it back down the road and doing it all over again. So, pretty busy. But anyway, that gives you a little insight. I'm going to get to it and try to get something done today.